Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Mohamad Shafiq, MS240929584, and I'm a Bachelor of Education student of UNITAR. Today I will be discussing the topic of differentiated instruction based on the quote by Carol Tomlinson, who said differentiated instruction is not a set of strategies, but a way of thinking about teaching and learning. To me, this quote means that differentiated instruction is more than just using different teaching method of classroom activity. It is actually a mindset, a way of seeing each student as a unique individual with different readiness level, interest, learning style, and learning environment. As a future mathematics teacher, I believe this way thinking is very important because not all students learn number, formula, or problem solving in the same way. Key point: the four component of differentiated instruction. Readiness, the first component. Readiness, which refer to how prepared a student is to learn a particular concept. In a Form 1 mathematics class, some students may already understand the basic of fraction and decimals, while others may still be struggling. As a teacher, I must adjust the level of difficulty based on their readiness. For example, when teaching the topic fraction and decimals, for students with lower readiness, I can start with a basic exercise like converting fraction to decimals. For average student, I can give application tasks such as comparing two decimal numbers. For advanced student, I can provide real-life problem-solving question such as calculating discount or rates. By doing this, all students can participate meaningful and learn according to their own pace and ability. Second is interest. The second component is interest. When students are interested in what they are learning, they become more motivated and engaged. For example, I once designed an activity called Math Market, where students play roles as shopkeepers and customers. They have to calculate price, discount, and totals using percentage and decimals. Students will enjoy a role-playing round, found this lesson fun and meaningful. Through activity like this, mathematics no longer feels boring or abstract. Instead, it becomes something practical and enjoyable. Next is learning style. Every student learn differently. Some are visual learner, some are auditory learner, and other are kinesthetic learner. As a mathematics teacher, I can use a mix of approach such as visual, using colorful charts, diagram, and models. Second, auditory, encouraging discussion or verbal explanation, and kinesthetic, allowing students to use manipulate like blocks or fraction strips. This to explore mathematical concept. By integrating these different learning style, I can make sure every student every student has a fair opportunity to understand the lesson in their preferred way. Next, learning environment. The final component is learning environment. A positive classroom environment is essential for effective learning. Students should feel safe, respected, and comfortable to express themselves and make mistakes. In my mathematics classroom, I will organize students into small group to encourage collaboration. It also ensures that no one feels embarrassed for giving a wrong answer because making mistake is part of learning. Additionally, displaying student work on the classroom will can help build confidence and motivation. When students feel valued, they become more willing to take part in class activity. Uh, Third part is classroom application. Let me share a simple classroom scenario first. Imagine I'm teaching ratio and proportion to my Form 1 student. I start with fun hands-on activity called Juice Mix Challenge. Students are asked to prepare a drink mixture using a specific ratio of syrup to water. For beginner, I provide simple ratio like 1 to 2. For intermediate learner, I give problems such as simplifying ratio. And for advanced, I ask them to adjust the recipe for a large group. For example, for 10 people. This activity is engaging because it connects mathematics to real life, and it also allow me to apply all 4 components of different instruction. It check the reading stroke titles, each trigger interest stroke of fun challenges, and it fits different learning styles since students see, touch, and discuss. And last, it creates a positive learning environment through teamwork. Next is my personal reflection. As a future teacher, I've learned that differentiated instruction is not about having many teaching strategy, but about understanding my student deeply. Every student learn differently, and it is my responsibility to design lesson that respect this difference. The quotes by Carol Ann Tomilson remind me that teaching is not just about delivering content, it's about designing meaningful learning experience. In the future, I want to be a teacher who makes every student feel seen, supported, and capable of succeeding in mathematics, even if they learn at different speeds or in different ways. That being a good teacher is not just about how well I teach, but how well I understand my student. Each of them come to class with different stories, strengths, and challenges. When I take time to know them, their interests, their fears, and their dreams, I can design this lesson that truly reach their hearts, not just their minds. Differentiated instruction give me that chance. It allow me to make learning more human, more personal, and more meaningful. It reminds me that education is not one size fits all. It's about guiding every learner according to their own pace and helping them discover the joy of learning. So, as I move forward in my journey as a future mathematics teacher, I carry this belief with me that great teaching begins with empathy and understanding. When we teach with the heart, every student can shine in their own unique way. So that's all from me. Thank you.